lonely seagull in the sky so wide, drifting on the winds, no place to hide. Through the rolling waves and the endless blue, searching for a friend, someone true. But the clouds, they whisper secrets in vain, and the tides only echo its pain. Oh, lonely seagull, flying free through the storms and across the sea. No one to see you, no one to care, but the open sky and the salty air. It calls to the sun as the day grows long. It sings to the moon a lonesome song. The stars look down with their distant gleam, yet none can hear its silent dream. The waves crash hard, but they can't reply, and the wind carries its tearful sigh. Oh, lonely seagull, flying free through the storms and across the sea. No one to see you, no one to care, but the open sky and the salty air. The waves crash hard, but they can't reply, and the wind carries its tearful sigh. Oh, lonely seagull, flying free through the storms and across the sea. No one to see you, no one to care, but the open sky and the salty air. Someday a voice will call your name, a soul who sees beyond the shame. Someone to stand by your weary side, to share the storms, to share the tide. Don't despair, a heart that's true is waiting somewhere, till that day soar high and free through the endless sky and the boundless